AutoCAD Plant 3D is an easy-to-use 3D plant modeling tool that models steel structures, equipment, and piping for process plant. You can quickly create structural grids and place steel members on the grid. Plant 3D comes with libraries of standard steel sections. Select the member you want to place along with the orientation, such as top of steel. Now let's take a look at equipment. Plant 3D comes with a library of parametric equipment models. Here we're placing a vertical tank and adding a skirt. We specify their dimensions using the dialog box which shows how the parameters are applied, and then place the equipment in the model. Equipment nozzles can be modified at any time. We click on the nozzle and change the location, orientation, and size through the dialog box. Piping modeling uses piping specs and catalogs to place piping components accurately in the model. Here we'll route a line from the pump to the reboiler. Mating flanges are automatically placed along with the corresponding bolts and gaskets. We select the gate and the check valve from the piping spec tool palette and complete the piping layout by using automated pipe routing. Piping grips allow us to easily modify pipe layouts, in this case by defining the top of pipe elevation.